toilets. Mr. Ritz, sir.
This is primarily a tidying up of a annual plan resolution. There was some confusion over the ownership of the toilets in Motuopa. We thought it belonged to the Fishing and Boating Association. It turns out they actually belong to council. So as a result, the proposed $10,000 grant will not be required, and the the works will be funding out of our current budgeted renewals program. So in effect, there's a $10,000 saving.
Before we do that, can I just clarify that resolution moved before by Councillor Downard and seconded by was resolution number 2? There's 2 resolutions. So the first one defines it. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Right.
Sorry about that.
I hear you. So that just needs moving and second. Councillor Downard.
Yeah.
Councillor Kirk. All those in favour?
Aye.
Moved. That's a good word for a toilet, isn't it? Moved. Right, Mr. Williams, the floor is yours, sir.
Thank you. I'd like to take the report as read, although I would like to acknowledge that this is the last council meeting, obviously, in this triennium. So I did want to take the opportunity of reading that last paragraph of my report, which is to thank the elected members and the staff for the outstanding effort this triennium. The GFC has been a game changer over the last 3 years and influenced very heavily the nature of the work that we've been doing. We've had to make some very difficult decisions to ensure that the financial model we operate is sustainable for the future. And we've also had to cut our coat according to our cloth. So with the emphasis on those projects that were absolutely necessary. Despite these challenges, I would like to record the fact that I've been extremely proud of the fact that we've maintained very high levels of standard, particularly the ones that we provide to the services that we provide to our community.